Hi, this is John with WTI, and with one of my favorite sauces that I could get for meat, even though I've dressed this with mostly all of my meals lately, and this is the Goya Chimichurri sauce. So this is just a mixture of high quality olive oil from Goya already, and some fine herbs like oregano, like parsley, and all these different herbs that you put them all together, a little bit of salt and a little bit and a good amount of vinegar. So you feel with this sauce, it's the oily and at the same time you feel the vinegar and all these different uh, herbs that is inside of it. And I've used this for tacos. I use this for like in the air fryer. I put a little bit of bread and I slide this in the top for different meats, chicken, ground beef. The list goes on and on. So if you're just trying to have a good sauce to go with your steak or with your chicken, with your ground beef, this guy actually does a great job due to the high quality ingredients. So this was John without the ETI, and that was my point of view.